We got a big old crowd before this Nike outlet opens. Opening at 11 a.m. because it is Sunday. Gotta be quick, 30% off the back wall. Already see a few resellers here that I'm competing against. Seeing some empty spaces. This is the women's section over here. Did check the refurbs over there in the men's. This is the women's refurb. Got some Infinity Run Flyknits. $95 or 8.5. We need a couple of those, but that size doesn't work. Got Dornbecker Air Maxes right here. $93, that is my size. And I do need a pair of these right here. Size 7, 8.5. I bought a size 6.5 for one of my workers, and then she told me lately she's been wearing 7s. So I gave that to my niece, so I'm gonna grab this. They have no size 10.5, 10 or 11s. We just got them. Well, they do have 10, but these are size women's 10s. 95 for these, gently worn. Didn't see anything that really stands out. All right, we're gonna start with the men's refurbs. Damn, they don't have no bags. What the hell? They don't even have any bags for me to. Oh wait, there's one sitting on the floor. Someone's like, "That's my wild." Leaving it on the floor. All right, let's check out the men's refurbs. Do got Jordan 2.3s, $80 for these. That is my kid size. Trying to find something for my kiddo. 63 for the trainers. I've not had a chance to go to Borders to get him some SB Dunks. $80 for these. Oh, I could try stopping by Pawn Shop on the way home. These go for $69. Like new. Air Max 1s, $80. Size 8 right here, $81. Air Max 1s right here, $80. LeBron's, $100, 8.5. These go for $100 as well. Got these LeBron size 10, 102, 72 for these. Another one of these go for 89.5. Monopolies, we've been seeing these even at Ross lately, 120. Remember, 30 off the back wall. GT Jump 2s right here. What they talking about? 108. 108. I do have a pair of these already. 108's a little bit high too. But let's drop it down to like $80. What are these? Nija 3s? I was like, damn, they look like basketball shoes. Skate shoes looking more like basketball shoes. No, I thought these were like the Zion 3s or something. 72 for these. Visible Run 3s right here. These are going for $90. $90. Do I need to get another one for my pops? Do I need to get another one for my pops? $90. That comes out to what, 57? Like I said, $63. These have gone up, man. They've been charging more and more for these, I feel like. I already bought my pops 2 of them. I don't think I need another. So I'll put that one back. They do have a size 11, $90. I know it's a little much for myself because I already have a few of them, so I'll throw that one back as well. If the price was better, maybe $80 for Vomero size 11s. Another Monopoly like new 120. Legacy through 12, $73. Slightly imperfect though. Like new 120. Ultra Flight Trails 130 for these. Air Force 88s. Go for $70. Size 12. These are some Jordan 2.3s, $80. I have a worker who wears a size 12. Big Feet Gang right here. We got 85 for those. Size 13s. Legacy 312, 73. Down 3, 78. Size 15 right here, $73 for the Jetman Team 1s. 15 Jordan 2s, 88. I feel like those are way cheaper at Raw. DN is right here, $80, size 14. And these trail shoes right here. Oh, these are 9F 130. 30% off clearance apparel. Got Tech fleece and two-tone. Extra small though, dang, extra small. They're talking about $55. Got the camel ones right here, $65. This is a medium. $37 for this one. 3XL though. That's pretty thin for 3XL. Got this color in multiple sizes. I've got a large right here, a few larges, and some hella bright ones Right here, these aren't tech fleece, it's just regular fleece. Pretty soft, 45. 45 for shorts. Kind of short, but I like the material on these. All white right here. That would not survive my lunch. $40. And then just a bunch of running shorts, 45, 32, 32, and that's all 30 off on top. Tons and tons of t-shirts as usual. I don't know who's dying for that. I guess that's why it's at the outlets. Got a Jumpman shirt right here, a little better, but still a little interesting. 20 bucks. Got hoodies right here, 45 for this lightweight one right here. XL. Jordan purple one right here, 47. 65 for this one. Got some authentic Thunder jerseys right here, but you gotta put your own name and number. 85, I guess it's a swingman? Yeah, I guess it's a swingman. No, it's an icon edition. I don't know what that is. Windbreaker jacket, kind of looking like the Tech Fleece, $90. Got Tech Fleece right here, double XL, 135. Dang. All right, let's move on to the back aisles right here. I think it's like a size 7 or something. What the hell? Yeah, 7.5, 85 for Infinity Run 4s. Got some ACGs right here, 110. Seeing a lot of double bubbles. $80 for these size 7.5s. 270s down here. Yeah, still the full 170. At least you get a little discount. Size 9s right here. 75 to 80 for the Air Max 1s. Got some UNC patent one lows right here. Regular price. Dang, I guess you get 30 off. Seeing these peach Vomeros right here. 85. Dang, the green ones, 120. GT cut 3s right here. These are definitely not. Forces right here with the sale. Regular price. Size 10s right here. Is there even anything to show you guys? God dang, dude. 11.5 right here. $45 for these bad boys. So that drops that down to like 30. Yeah, I grabbed one for like 25 at Watts. Patent leather J's right here. Yeah, man. Size 12 LeBron's 80 bucks, and then get that extra 30 off. Pretty cheap. Size 13s right here. Vaporfly Next Percent's 190. Got another 15 for you big feet gate runners. Mock undercovers 50 for these bad boys. So that's what 35 after the discount size 13s. And we've got, this is the biggest one here. Some ships right here. Size 16, 140. All right, let's move on to the aisles where we have a ton of the budget signature basketball shoes. Immortality, what, 4s? Yeah, I grabbed these for hella cheap a while back. And I saw someone pick up a ton of these. Okay, size 10, 12, 13s left. These are going for what? 40 bucks or something like that. About 40 bucks. Golf fleet cleats going for pretty freaking cheap. Infinity golf right here. Some budget golf shoes, but look at that budget price. Holy crap, that's cheap. Some budget cleats right here. Plenty of sizes. Non-signature J's. Is this the only one? Wow. Been seeing these at Ross and stuff, right? Some Take 1 4s. Jordan 4 RPMs. We're going to see a lot of these at the outlets because they pumped out a ton of these. LeBron Next Gens. Witnesses right here. That's a hell of a price. Got Zoom Freak 6s, and then more budget signature basketball shoes. Still got a little bit of summer left, so do got Benassi JDI slides right here. The budget slides. And got some mids, lows as well. Some Nike Cities. A couple of those with Cordera. We got the Nike Big, the big Nike low. What the hell? I don't really know what these are. These are like some Dunks substitutes when you couldn't get Dunks a while back, I think. I got some Dunks for hella cheap. And yeah, they only got big sizes, 11s and 13s. Oh wait, they got 9s as well. A couple of 9s it looks like. Yeah. Second Dunk right here. Navy. And these right here. There's people who are still buying dunks because look, the navy ones aren't too many sizes. Dude got some Vomeros going for way cheap. Wow, you get full box. This is a pretty cool colorway, but a little high. I'm trying to find them for under 50 bucks. Oh, I was hoping this is a Vomero. It's a Pegasus 2005 right here. Some more dad shoes. Got them in bi-coastal. Is that what the hell? Olive Aura Glacier Blue. Pale Ivory. Volt. And black and white. Then I have a ton of these Lunar Roams. I don't think I need to go through each of those. P6000s. 2 different colorways. We got some Cortez. These are an SE. Because got that extra long hair suede. Got the Lakers colorway right here. I grabbed these for 25 bucks a while back. I don't think I've worn them yet, huh? What the hell? I'll be forgetting what shoes I do have at home. Does happen. Do got the Forrest Gumps right here. These gonna go down in price. They got plenty of sizes. Oh, hell yeah. Hopefully when I come back in like 2 weeks, they'll go on sale. Got Flight Legacies, Chicago colorway, Forces, suede one right here. Got some B grades, 217s, Air Max 2017s, another one right here, Air Max 1s, another one right here. Got a whole section of these Metcon or free Metcon 6s and then 5s over here. Then running shoe, why nothing really premium to be honest. They're making these Revolutions kind of look a little bit like the Vomeros. That's crazy, huh? That kite looks better than they used to be. It's a budget shoe. That's a really good budget option to have. And then for back to school, they do have backpacks for 25% off. Got these right here with 2 smaller pockets, 40 bucks. So that drops down to 30. Budget option right here, 25. Straps, yeah, straps not that great. Already got my kiddos backpack for next year. I actually have, probably a couple years worth for him. He just likes an all black one, and I already have 2 more. $45. This one, yeah, this one seems a little more substantial. Like the big zippers, the fat straps. I kind of like these, but 45. Normally 100 bucks. Damn, 25 off on top. The color works for your kiddo because it is for our kiddos most of the times, right? 35 for these right here. Got some more budget backpacks down here. These are a little bit more, $45 though. Then got some duffel bags, $40. You do get that extra 25 off both of these. Oh, this is the duffel bag I have at home. I have a red one. But yeah, $40. This one, you have to kind of put something in the bottom right here. There's a separate compartment for the bottom. If you don't, it's like a little unstable. Like you can put your shoes and stuff, which is pretty dope. A little more clearance apparel. I think kind of, I don't know, I haven't been too excited about the clearance apparel lately. $40 for Nike running jacket. Just been a ton of t-shirts, SB t-shirt, 30 bucks. Color's so weird. Works like if you have like one pair of sneakers that matches that color. Some Jordan shorts right here, $40. I don't know what material that is. Nice hoodie right here. What they talking about? 45. Not bad with 30 off. It's pretty thin though. $68 for this one. What's up with this Jordan apparel 30 off over here? Got sweatshirt 57. Got some jackets $76. Pretty decent jacket. Just that color is not right. And they got a windbreak right here, 43. Got like a bomber jacket right here, 155. Normally 275. That's not bad. Authentic Jordan brand. Well, that's all right. It's all right. Windbreaker right here, $72. Got some sweats right here on this side. Interesting color, $37. Trying to find all the sales racks. Got polos over here. Blue ones, $35, an extra 30% off. Got white ones right here. What's the tag? Oh, tag's down here on these. $40, so 30 off of that. 32 for the red ones, and then I don't know what the hell color that is. $30 for that one. I almost missed this one. 25% off Nike Elite backpacks. That's actually pretty good. $60. Damn, I kind of want one. But I'm buying something else. So yeah, I kind of want one because I need one for a ball. Like I need one that fits the ball inside. These you can fit a basketball in here, and probably a pair of shoes too. All right, women's clearance section. Let's check out their refurb section right here. Kind of did, but I guess not all the way. We are seeing more and more. These prices have gone up though, man. $90 for these. Maybe we used to get them for 90 plus 40 off. Maybe that was it. $63 ain't too bad, but still. Jordan 2.3s, $80 for those. Pegasus Plus right here, kind of comfy, but not super great. The recycled Zoom X just not the same as a regular 75 for those. Legacy 312, $73. Another one right here, 95 for these, so a little bit more. Oh, I think the one that I have is slightly imperfect. I think that's what it is. Jordan 1 slips right here, 55. Air Max 1s right here, $70. Trail running shoes down here. Zagama Trails, $90 right there. Oh, and then they got another one down here. So they got a bunch of these. This is slightly imperfect. This one is okay. I have a size 7. This is 6.5, $90. I just gave this one to my niece. I think she liked them. I don't know. Size 6 right here, $90. Also got a 4.5 men's or 4.5 grade school, 6 women's Air Max 1s with a little bit of dust on it, $84. In the women's section, or the women's regular clearance section, $100 for the Pegasus right here. Rails go for $70. That's some Max Auras right here. Max Aura 6 is $95. Seeing a lot of the same stuff right here. Look at this, all the Pegasus right here. Into the Pegasus Trails, these fires that nobody really wants. That's about it, dude. Damn, dude, women's section, hella mediocre. Women's aisles right here. Got a couple of dunks. A handful, including this University Red. This Rose Whisper we've seen everywhere. Omnipresent blazers. See this at every Nike outlet, I feel like. Looks like someone wore these home right here. Got some Vomeros. Nice gray colorway right here. Air Max DNs. Got a few of these. Got a few of the 270s, which are always priced really high. Then the women's running section looking pretty whatever. But I think better than the guys because they have some Infinity Run 4s at least. These are really well priced. That's why they don't have that many sizes. Last one right here. Phantom React Flyknit 4s or 2s, my bad. And Pegasus Trails. Another one right here. And look at the price on these. Wow. All right, I am grabbing these for one of my workers. It is a Christmas or birthday present. I haven't decided which. But it is slightly imperfect. So I'm checking the hell out of this pair. And I don't really see anything. I don't know, am I missing something? I don't see anything. That's the left size. This is the right side right here. Am I missing something? I don't see anything. Checking the sizing. No, I don't really see anything wrong with them. I've said that many times, you guys. I've bought so many slightly imperfect shoes and never had any issues. Well, never had any issues after I checked them because we've seen a bunch that are jacked up. All right, let's pay for these and get the hell out of here. That freaking gave me a huge bag. I did end up buying a size 7.5 women's as well. So I bought an 8.5 women's and a 7.5. I know someone who wants this one too. So, all right. So bought 2 things, not even for myself, but did save a ton of money. I don't have room for more sneakers anyway, so I feel like I've been buying other people's crap more. But yeah, not bad.